Here's how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Roku TV. So in order to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Roku TV, you need to put your speaker in pairing mode. So turn on your Bluetooth speaker and press the pairing button, usually the power button or the Bluetooth icon, until a light flashes. This means that it's discoverable. Then go to Roku settings. On your Roku remote, you can press the home button and then go to settings and select devices and scroll down and select remotes and devices and then start pairing. Select the paired Bluetooth device and add a new Bluetooth audio device and find your speaker. Your Roku TV will search for nearby devices. When your speaker appears in the list, you need to select it and then confirm the connection. You'll see a message on your TV when the speaker is connected, and you can also use the Roku mobile application for private listening. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.